Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, we have a special treat for you. We're taking you to a house tour in the tropical paradise of Bali. I'm Christina and I can't wait to show you our cozy little abode we call home. Before we dive into the tour, let me tell you a little bit about our journey.
I feel tired, but it's doable. It's doable, but very tired.
We were in a long vacation here to explore Bali's vibrant culture, stunning landscape, and warm-hearted people. She's very nice to us, and we love staying here. And then, COVID started and we were stuck in this island. So we decided to stay, wait until the situation gets better, and Bali became our home for 2 years. Our home away from home. And we couldn't be happier with our decision. This is the best and safe place for us during COVID time.
Luchik, apa kabar? Baik-baik saja. Semoga perjalananmu sampai tujuan dengan selamat.
So let's get started on this magical house tour. We just arrived in our new house.
Не надо, не надо.
Look at this. We forgot to bring our key, that's why we cannot go inside the house.
Ow!
This is our things. Bochka. My son now playing, so I will just do a house tour later on my vlog because I still need to fix all these things. These are some of the things here.
Meanwhile,
Не надо, не надо.
There's a cat situation here. The mother cat, who is staying in this compound, is not happy to see our cats.
Mom, you see actually problem with cat than dog, not
And looks like she's angry. Archie is trying to calm her and showing the cat that we are friends and not her enemies. But now see, already calmed down.
Yeah, now she much more peaceful now.
a few inches later.
Ну не нужно ее обижать, это котенок. Котенок это. Котенок. Это котенок.
The mama cat still don't like our little girl Bochka, who is hiding under the kitchen cabinet. She's very scared with mama cat.
Это маленькая кошечка. Это маленькая кошечка. Это маленькая.
Archie trying to calm down the cat, but she looks very
Mom, I don't know what
fierce.
to do with her. This is little girl. This is little girl only. Shh. Shh. Shh.
That's why we decided to put our cats inside the room while we go out for dinner. We decided to go to Japanese restaurant to treat ourselves from very tiring day of moving to our new place. Good morning from us here in Bali, Indonesia. Now, Let's kick things off with house tour. As you can see, the house has a charming facade with an open concept living where you can enjoy being close to nature. Step inside and you'll be greeted by a warm and inviting atmosphere. Our living room. Most of the Balinese accommodations are very open to the outside, so having insects inside the home is normal. And some geckos are common house guests. You'll also commonly encounter different insects, bugs, spiders, and mosquitoes, so putting insects repellents is a must, especially during nighttime. Next up, we have the kitchen, which is the most beloved space for anyone who loves to cook. It's fully equipped with some appliances we need. Someone also does the cleaning in our villa, and it is included in our rent. We also have a utility room. Over here is our balcony. I just finished washing our clothes, that's why it's drying in the balcony. This is the view from our balcony. This is where I do hand washing because we don't have a washing machine. We have visitor here. Look at this. This is a scorpion. We have 3 bedrooms in this villa. Let's first check Archie's room. He used this room for his office, so he have more privacy while doing his online work. And also, our cats stays with their papa. They like to accompany him here while they are playing and chilling around. Nice also to caress them when Archie is stressed from work. It also has own toilet and bath. The other room is just the same concept with Archie's office. Now, let's take a peek into the master's bedroom. We also have a projector, so during nighttime, we watch, chill around before we go to sleep. Now we're watching inside the room. It feels like we are in cinema. Very nice. We get to enjoy watching here while we lay down. For our rent, we pay about 7 million rupiah per month. This is COVID price where property owners slash down the price of renting villas because there's no tourists coming to Bali. This is our toilet and bath. Our shower area have tropical vibes. It's also an open concept bathroom. This is the resting area, but we don't use this place. Now, let's go to the swimming pool. Before reaching the pool, we put barricade on both entry, so Luchik cannot access the pool for safety purpose. The swimming pool is quite big and deep where you can enjoy swimming while appreciating the lush greenery. A very tropical vibes. It's perfect spot to dip in, refresh, and unwind after a hot, sunny day. We also have a house dog here named Nikki. Nikki is curious with our baby cat.
Mom, I don't know how to do it.
Archie is worried again because the other day, it's Mama Cat versus Bochka, and now, Nikki versus Baby Cat. We just put our cats in other room when we go out, since they are still new to our place. Not far from our place, there's a shop selling fresh seafood. So Archie went to buy some fresh fish for me and Luchik.
How much?
65,000.
65.
The same species. This one is Gamma. This one red Gamma.
Maybe we take the small.
We also have a nearby fruit stall where Archie likes to buy fruits for his smoothies. He always makes sure we have fruits in our table to eat as a snack. On the next day, we also visited farmers market to buy some vegetables and also to check what other stuff they are selling.
1.3.
1.3? Or this is daily? I want to try cheese.
I also want to show the disadvantage of staying in an open concept living aside from insects and animal visitors. First, it's not comfortable to watch projector in our living room because when it's dark, a lot of mosquitoes biting. That's why we watch inside our room. Today is raining. Our toilet is an open concept shower room. So this is how it looks like. Luckily, we have roof here, so when you take shower, you will not get wet in the rain. Raining. We don't have enough roof. That's why the rain go in. So we need to put this sofa here under the shade. Our villa doesn't have much roof to cover. That's why some of the furniture gets wet, and the access going to the master's bedroom doesn't have wider roof to properly shade you from the rain. So this is our room. You see, not enough roof. So you'll get wet a bit when you enter the room. So Archie did some beard trimming. And this is the prices just in case you are curious how much is the haircut and beard trimming. We forgot to bring our key, that's why we cannot go inside the house. Now Archie has a plan. Archie will try to climb so he can go inside.
Slippery, Mom.
So you cannot.
It's scary, I might fall down because very slippery, it's wet, Mom.
A few inches later.
I still encourage him to climb.
Mom, there's some cables here. I worry.
Nikki?
The girl watching us. Girl.
Who's girl?
The kitty girl, the fat one, the big mama. She watching it to me. Mom, but here when I go back, it's quite scary. I worry I may damage my feet, Mom. Because there's no trees, nothing there.
Maybe I give you your slipper?
Mom, why you... No. No, I think this is a bit complicated, Mom. Sorry.
Okay.
Because like I don't know how to go down there. There's no tree, nothing to support me.
Meanwhile,
Since we cannot come inside the villa and we need to wait for the staff to open it, we went out to eat our dinner in Vietnamese restaurant. Archie ordered vegan po and spring rolls, while for me, I will eat chicken po. We like to go here especially when we are craving for Vietnamese po. We just woke up in the morning and we saw a dead bird in our balcony. This one. There's a dead bird here. It's already full of ants. I don't know what happened, why this bird fell down here.
Throw. Just quickly throw.
Ants in my... Oh, big ant!
Mom, I know. Throw. Just quickly throw, Mom.
Because I'm a bit scared.
Then why you decided to throw, Mom? Ow!
Papa! You scared me! They don't like that I throw.
Mom, need to quickly. Mom. Throw quickly.
Thank you for watching my vlog. If you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe, write comment, and hit the like button. Thank you very much for supporting my channel. See you on the next one. Bye bye!